In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a story on Instagram even if you are not tagged in. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let me open up some story that I'm not tagged in, and let's say I wish to share that story to my account, and now all I have to do is simply make a screenshot of my screen. To be able to do that, I need press on volume up and power button at the same time, in that way. And now I can edit that screenshot, and I can just crop it like that, in that way, or I can crop just photo in that way. And after that I can hit done, save this photo to photos, and now I can hit plus icon, hit on that photo, on that screenshot that I just made, and now I can share it to my story as I normally would. I can change background, I can add there some stickers, I can add there some text, and after that hit on your story to share it to my story. And basically that's it. It's so simple and easy, and now you know how it works. So guys, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.